Now for the actual now for the actual frog, we're gonna take the piece of paper that we cut off earlier. I'm gonna draw a frog on it. The frog is gonna be directly facing you. So first, I would take a pencil. We're gonna sketch the shape of our frog. The frog is basically just like a rounded shape. Its body, just like that. Now here's a twist. So around right here, around the head part or mouth part, I'm going to draw a straight line. Then straight line up, straight line connect. This is going to be the inside of the mouth. And the actual head is going to be on top of the mouth. So it's like a folding surprise. So I'm going to fold here. And then on the top, I'm going to, I'm going to fold here to that. There we go. There you go. So like, it's gonna be like this. So the actual top of his head is gonna be right here. The inside is gonna be his mouth. Okay, now for the frog. First, we're gonna draw eyes. 2 big circles right here. Then draw the top of the eye, or the seemingly eyelids, but I don't think they blink. Do frogs blink? I don't think so, right? Now I'm just gonna draw 2 curved lines right there. Then 2 curved lines more, and then straight line connect. Just like that. Then draw the rest of the face. This is gonna be mouth, so we're just gonna draw the top of the mouth and the bottom of the mouth, or the bottom of his face. Then draw the arms, straight curved line out, curved line out. Okay, now for the frog. For the frog, we're first gonna draw the eyes. So the eyes are going to be 1 big circle, 2 big circles. Then I'm going to draw 2 curved lines as the eyeballs. The frog's going to be sort of cross-eyed, so it's going to be facing different directions, just like that. Okay, now for the thing that looks like eyelids. Curve line down, curve, curve, another curve, curve line down, curve, another curve, and then connect with a curved line. Then we'll draw 2 curved lines down. Then connect to the rest of his body, or draw his arms, curve line, curve line, curve, curve, curve. Same thing on this side. Just mirror the movements. Then for the the hands, curved line, 1 finger, straight line, 2 finger, straight line, 3 fingers. Just like that. Same on this side. His belly, the end of his belly. For his underside of his face, we're just gonna draw some lines just like that. Then for his foot, we're gonna draw curved line, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, this foot looks a bit goofy. Like that. And now we'll draw some warts on him. Like that. So when he opens his mouth, it'll look kind of comical, but I'll make his mouth kind of big. So his mouth is gonna be like this. So we're gonna draw his tongue. And for the back of his mouth, no, actually, sorry. This is the back of the mouth. For the tongue, we're gonna draw something sticking out. Sorry, I was a bit confused there. Okay. Now let's erase the lines that I made. Okay. There we go. In case you're wondering what this is like a mouth on the outside, but we won't really see on the inside because the mouth is gonna be dark green, and then I'm going to blend the dark green slowly into lighter green. Alright, so the frog. So first, let's work on the head. So let's close it first. Okay. Okay, so for this thing that looks like a mouth, dark green. And then when he opens his mouth, it's gonna slowly become light green. So I'm gonna draw some dark green on the face area. And some around the eyes. Then I'm gonna take a slightly light green to draw the in. Not everything though. So when you close it, it kind of looks like this. Open it, it looks like this. Don't worry if it's not really blended right now. I'll just kind of fix it. But you can use a little bit light green just to blend it in a little bit. Okay, let's blend it also around this part. Okay, now I'm going to use deep dark green to draw some small details, some shadows around the eyes. Some warts. Okay, now I'm just going to draw some shadows under the hands. Some around the belly. Some around the legs. And for the rest, I'm going to use slightly lighter green, greenish blue, to color the rest in. I'm not going to color everything in. I'm going to leave some whites. So I'm going to take the same light green. I'm going to color it on top of the bluish green to make it green. Okay, now, done yet. We still need to make some more details. So we're just going to... Now I'm working on making the blending better. adding a bit of new colors, like maybe some dark blue. And for the mouth, just pink right here, and a darker pink right here. Now just take your thicker black marker. Oh wait, I forgot to do eyes. For eyes, just color it yellow. Okay, now just take your thicker black marker, then outline the frog. Okay, now I'm going to use a darker yellow to draw some shadow on the frog's eyes. Then I'm going to take a white highlighting pen. Take a white highlighting pen, I'm going to draw some highlights on the frogs to make it look a bit shinier. You don't have to do this, but I highly advise because it makes things look a lot better. Also draw some small dots on the frog. There you go. Now, when you fold it up, he looks like this. When you open it, he looks like this. Okay, now for the tongue. Take a long strand of paper, cut it like that. I'm just gonna cut this a bit thinner. And just color it pink. Just color one side pink because you won't be seeing the other side anyway. Okay, so at the very end, attach some double-sided tape. Let's not peel it for now. First, let's cut this frog out. Okay, so the frog's cut out. His head's gonna go like this. Okay, there we go. Now just when it opens up, it just like goes like that. Now time to stick this frog onto the thing. So first we're gonna put tape on this spot right here. Stick this frog on right here. Then look, you got a frog. And then you can just open, close it. When it's closed, look at this. The frog's head's a bit popping out, but it's alright. Open like this, and then you could sing. And make it sing any song you wish you could. And you can sing along with it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this card of the Hogwarts choir frog. I got this idea from Universal Theme Park. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching, and hope you subscribe and like for awesome videos. Bye bye. If you liked the video, please click the like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Thank you. Bye-bye.